What if I tell you that this indicator that I'm about to share with you predict this fall of BTC USDT? This indicator is very powerful that it can give buy and sell entering signal. So I will tell you to try and stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to share with you in details everything you need to know about this indicator. But before we go into the video, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video, and also help this video to reach many other people as possible. So without any other delays, let's jump right into the video. The indicator we are going to be using in this strategy is called the Volume Supertrend AI Expo, created by Zierman. This indicator utilizes a combination of traditional supertrend calculation and AI techniques, particularly the K-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm. This indicator is designed to identify the price trend, but before we talk more about this indicator, let's add it to the chart. And to add it to the chart, we are going to navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Volume Supertrend AI Expo. Select the one made by Zierman. The indicator is designed to predict trends in price movements by considering not only price movement, but also trading volume, introducing an extra dimension to trend analysis. By integrating volume data, the indicator offers a more nuanced and robust understanding of market trends. When trends are supported by high trading volumes, they tend to be more stable and reliable. The Volume Supertrend AI emphasizes the importance of trading volume in the trend direction, allowing it to respond more accurately to market dynamics. The KNN algorithm is employed to intelligently examine historical data points, measuring distances between current parameters and previous data. The nearest neighbors are utilized to create predictive modeling, thus adapting to intricate market patterns. The Volume Supertrend AI serves as a dynamic trailing stop loss, adjusting with both price movement and trading volume. This approach protects profits while allowing the trade room to grow, taking into account volume for a more nuanced response to market changes. However, let's talk more on how you can understand that price is really trending using this indicator. At first, looking at the indicator, you will notice that it has three colors, which are green, blue, and red. The green indicates a bullish trend, the red indicates a bearish trend, and the blue indicates that price is neutral, ready to reverse. When price is on downtrend, the indicator red line will be above the candles, and when price diverges, the indicator red line to the upside. But price is not ready to reverse. The indicator will go below the price candlestick, and it will be still showing red in color, indicating its downtrend. And if eventually that price diverges the indicator red line to the downside, it will print a red label indicating that there's now enough momentum in the market to push the price down. And this is opposite to the uptrend. When price is on uptrend, the indicator green line will be below the candles, and when price diverges the indicator red line to the lower side, but price is not ready to reverse, the indicator will go above the price candlestick, and it will be still showing green in color, indicating it uptrend. And if eventually that price diverges the indicator green line to the upside, it will print a green label indicating that there's now enough momentum in the market to push the price up. For more clarification, you can go over to the indicator setting to explore it, to find the best setting that will fit your trading style. But on this, we are going to leave it at default. So understanding everything about this indicator, let's see how we can enter a trade using it. First, let's start with a buy trade. Here we are looking at BTC USDT on 5 minutes time frame. You see that price is on downtrend, as was indicated by the indicator. Eventually, price has formed a double bottom showing that it might reverse, but the indicator is still show red, which means that price is still on downtrend. But eventually the indicator shows blue, indicating that price is about to reverse. Then we wait to see the indicator shown green, indicating an uptrend. This is when we are going to wait to see price coming back to retest the green line. And on seeing a bearish candlestick retesting the green line of the indicator, immediately you need to see a good bullish candle engulfing the bearish candle. When you see that all this condition has been made, then you can enter a trade immediately after the close of the bullish candle, setting your stop loss slightly below that bearish candle to retest the green line and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, the trade played out so nicely. Let's look on how we can enter a sell trade using this indicator. Here we are looking at the same BTC USDT on 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, price was on downtrend as was indicated by the indicator. And eventually we see price retesting the red line of the indicator. Then we are going to wait for us to see how price will react there. And eventually we see that price has formed evening star, which is a very good reversal pattern. So with this confirmation, then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss slightly above the candle that retests the line and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, this trade played out nicely. As we have come to the very end of this video, I would like to tell you that whenever you find price retesting the indicator, wait to see a very good reversal pattern before you will enter a trade. And also that this strategy best work on lower time frame from 15 minutes time frame down. And lastly, if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. Also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.